The full name of Santa Fe, New Mexico is actually, I'm going to butcher this, La Villa Real de la Santa Fe de San Francisco de Asís. But no matter what you want to call it, the architecture here is beautiful, so I think it's time for some B-roll. The reason all the buildings here look similar and look so cool is because starting way back in the early 1900s, Santa Fe actually made sets of rules describing how all the buildings had to look going forward. This is a parking garage. Isn't that awesome? It's so cool. I love it. It's the first time in quite a while where we've gotten to our final destination for the evening before it was pitch black out. Better yet, it's golden hour, and there are no drone restrictions here. You know I'm going to take advantage of it. This little device right here, right there, that little nub, that's called a thermocouple. It's very small, but serves a very important purpose. When you turn your stove on, you don't want the propane to just keep burning unless there's an actual flame. So as the thermocouple heats up, it actually changes resistance and allows the propane to continue flowing after you release this knob here. As with most things in an RV, this is very poorly designed. You can see right here, there's nothing connected. The other wire for the thermocouple is supposed to go there. And I'll just put it back in right now. But what happens is the wire gets cut by the drawer that goes in this space. Terrible, terrible design. Ow, God, it's still hot.